Welcome to your kitchen. Here you have your microwave oven. It is a recirculating hood, which means that when the fan is turned on, the air simply draws up through the filters in the bottom and disperses out through the top. There are a couple of different modes on your microwave. You've got a high, a low, and an off. Everything is indicated on the control panel of how to work the microwave oven. We do have convenience cooking modes. There are several different things like popcorn, beverages, potatoes, and so on. Pretty simple. The potato one is for cooking potatoes. You can do 1, 2, 3, or 4 different potato settings. If it does turn on and you want it off, simply hit cancel. Underneath the microwave, you do have the vent filters that simply push back and come out, and these are reusable filters. If there is quite a bit of grease and junk that have built up on your filter, these can go in the dishwasher. They are dishwasher safe. In order to put it back in once it is complete, simply slide it to the back until it rests in the slots, pull it forward, and it resets. Our oven, this particular oven is a gas range. Simply turn on the gas range, you can hear the click, turn it to the light, and it'll fire up and adjust your settings to your liking. The grills on top of the oven can be taken off and put in the dishwasher. They are dishwasher safe as well. The only thing that cannot be put in the dishwasher are the caps and the orifices. These would simply just need to be cleaned by hand. There are a couple of different modes for the oven itself. In order to do bake, you simply hit the bake, set your temperature, and hit start. It'll go into a preheat mode until it reaches the setting that you have chosen. Once it reaches that setting, the range will beep and let you know that it is preheated. In order to turn the oven off, you simply hit cancel and it shuts it off. You have a broil mode, a warming mode, and a convectional bake and roast mode. Convectional bake and roast are, when you turn those on, they're same as baking, other than they bake quicker than the traditional baking. If you look inside your range, there is a fan that is located in the back of the oven box. That is the convectional bake and roast fan. Simply, the convection turns the fan on and distributes heat throughout the oven during the cooking process, which in turn leads to quicker cooking times. But make sure if you are doing this that you check the conversion between convection and regular bake, because the timing is much quicker. If you notice in the bottom, there is a picture here that says steam clean. It has the mode in it to where you simply add 1 cup of water into the bottom of the oven, shut the door, and hit steam clean. The timing will come on, you hit start, and it will steam clean your oven. I'm going to explain the operation of the kitchen sink, the garbage disposal, and also the on and off for your hot and cold water supplies underneath the sink. This particular home is equipped with an air switch for the garbage disposal. Obviously, when you want to run your garbage disposal, you make sure you turn the water on. This particular unit, you simply hit this button and the operation of the garbage disposal turns on. To turn it off, simply press the button. Underneath the sink is where the actual garbage disposal, of course, is located. It's this unit here. If for some reason there's something that ever gets jammed up in your garbage disposal, it may trip the power to the unit. If that happens, shut the system off, and underneath here, there is a reset button indicated where my finger is, and it is red. If it is sticking down, that means that the unit has tripped its internal breaker. Simply push this red button back in, and it will reset power to this unit. Located back here in the back are your on and off switches or valves for your hot water and for your dishwasher. In order to shut this off, you just turn the knobs a quarter of a turn and it shuts the water off to that system. Make sure you turn it back on so that you do have free flow of water. Under a lot of your kitchen sinks, you will find a switch that is located either on this wall or this wall of the cabinet, and that will be your switch for your garbage disposal.